Hi and welcome to EKM Unboxed. This is EKM series taking a look at fulfillment, how you send your orders, packaging, marketing, the whole process of getting your order from your website to your customer. I'm Mike and this is Jessie.
Hello.
And we're from the EKM marketing team.
And hold on there, Mike. Let me just stop you there. And this is Buzz.
Sorry.
And this is Peaches.
How could I be so rude? Stars of the show this week. As we are filming this, it is International Dog Day.
Yes.
But also, we wanted to bring in the experts for this episode of Unboxing because we have ordered from one of our brilliant customers at PawsTrading, who create their very own brand of dog foods, toys, treats, and what have you. So we're very excited, although not as excited as these guys. So, shall we get underway and have a look at how this is boxed?
So something I really like about what they've done here is they've used their own sort of custom tape here. So they've got both of their logos. So PawsTrading is the company name. And then also they have PawsMade, which is one of the brands that they make in-house and sell.
Yeah.
So they've got both of those logos on here. So right when the box arrives, when you're so excited to receive your order and you get to see exactly what's inside.
That's brilliant, yeah, because we've mentioned in the past, haven't we, about completely personalised boxes, everything from that to just sort of putting a sticker on. So it's nice, and this seems, in terms of the margin, in terms of, sort of making it more sustainable to do, not having to order boxes upon boxes of personalised, branded boxes. That seems really sort of achievable, doesn't it? If your sort of margins are quite tight, but you still want to get your branding on there and get it noticed on the way to the door. Really simple way of doing it, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Really nice.
All right, let's dive in.
Dive in. There's going to be some very excited doggos very shortly, I think. Okay.
So starting out, they've got this yellow tissue paper in, which I think is just a really nice tie into their brand colors, the black, the yellow. So right from opening the box, they've just taken that tiny little extra step to make it a little bit extra special when you open it. Even
before that, when you go to their website, that is the color you see. And that is the whole thing about this is, although we're opening, sort of the end product, it's about putting those little brand signifiers in all the way throughout.
Absolutely.
So from social acquisition, so where you're putting out your social media posts, getting those colors in there, to going to the website, all the way through that process. And then when it gets to your front door, you're already seeing it on the tape, you're seeing it on the tissue paper as well.
Yeah.
Really keep that brand consistent. I'm a real stickler for that. So much so that me and the fiance are getting married next year. I have actually made a wedding brand. So we've got a colour palette, a logo, everything, which is actually sad now. I've said it out loud, isn't it?
Groomzilla over here.
Groomzilla. So there we have. Tissue paper, of course, as well. Always just easier than polystyrene little things that I ended up all over my house the other day, and she was playing with them. Not good. Wow. Look at this. Oh dear. First one in there. Oh no,
she's straight in.
First one in there.
Right, I think this one's approved.
This one's definitely approved. This is Dog & Co. Toys and Tickles. Fun and Focus. She loves these scrunchy ones. Already getting the dog. Imagine if you do open this alongside your dog, it's good to get the really exciting products at the top there as well and the packaging. Look at that, guys. There. Now, where do I put this without going too crazy?
We'll I'll set it up.
Yeah,
Buzz doesn't seem as interested, so
yeah. Oh, there we go. What's the phrase?
Peaches.
Never work with kids or animals. And we're already off. We're not going to get that. We may have to surrender
sacrifice it. Right.
We've sacrificed it. There we go.
We've got one happy dog here. Thanks, PawsTrading.
Well, anyway, so let's
at some of the inclusions that we've got inside.
So we've got some lovely marketing here. Just a nice thank you and a little prompt to head to their social media channels as well.
Love that. PawsTrading is really active on the social media channels, so definitely if you're having a look at this video, go and see what they're doing over on the Instagram. They do a lot of live videos when they go to shows and different things. So
shush, it's fine.
It's not going anywhere.
She will tear that squeaker out. That her objective from this point on is to tear it out.
Yeah, Buzz doesn't seem that bothered.
Buzz,
toys are for dogs.
We know who's the better behaved dog at the moment. Also, this one's interesting, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
We'll give you a full rundown at the end, but we have got a customer story focused on PawsTrading, in which they talk about how they rely quite heavily on their dog shows that they go to, and sort of farm shows, that sort of thing. So they're obviously, really keen on partnering
able
up
to see Peaches over there.
their online presence with, of course, their sort of traditional shows and conventions that they go to. So they still want to sort of plug those when the order comes through to you, which is really nice. I mean, they may not be near you, but it's nice to see that they're really active in those sort of communities as well. That looks fun, that on-site camper. Do you fancy going to that? Oh, I think that's a yeah.
She's in.
What about you, Buzz? Oh wow, I think we've got a trip. This is like your Glastonbury, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Glastonbury for dogs. Dogs unleashed. So that's really nice, just keeping that sort of stuff, on there and reminding people on socials as well. Here we have the invoice, of course. Oh, lovely.
I love that. Nice little personal touch. And of course, you've got the branding right on there. Very good.
I think we've mentioned before, I wouldn't be too scared. I mean, we've spoken about how people put names of the people who've fulfilled the order in the factory and stuff. I wouldn't be too scared of doing a little bit of handwritten note either.
It's a nice touch, definitely.
Yeah, because, I mean, no one thinks you're a massive global conglomerate sort of pet store. You're not Pets at Home or anything like that. So, I think that's really nice. If you've got the time to sort of do it, I think that's really sweet. I mean, Starbucks do it.
Yeah, they do, don't they?
So they don't print your name out and put it on the end, so that's part of the charm, isn't it? Wow.
Very good. So I believe, they have their own brands, but they also sell a lot of those really popular brands that you are going to find in your Pets at Home or your high street dog stores. So this is Kong, one that's quite well known.
I really love those types of businesses where you sort of start off with your passion, which is obviously dogs and pets and what have you. And then I mean, it sort of happens sometimes two ways, doesn't it? You either create your own products and you take them to market and you get your e-commerce website through EKM, and then you sell those to the customers directly. And then you look to expand, don't you? And you think, okay, let's expand out. There's some things that might not be worthwhile us making ourselves, or we don't have the materials to, so we'll add to those sorts of things.
Yeah.
And that tends to be where people sort of integrate drop shipping and what have you. And then you get people the other way, don't they? Where they start and think, I'll be a little bit more of like a drop shipping operation, but then you're really passionate about it and you think, no, I can make my own products.
Yeah.
And I really like that sort of that contrast between the two things. There we go. Oh wow,
that's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be.
That is hefty, isn't it?
Wow. So this is from their own brand. So this is that PawsTrading brand, and they've made these their natural variety chews. So these are all made from real natural parts of animals.
Yeah, chicken legs.
Unfortunately.
Yeah, I can see an esophagus there, which is always aesthetically pleasing. Rabbit's foot and what have you, but hey, that's what dogs love, don't they?
Yeah.
Pig's ears are your favourite, aren't they?
She knows what's in there.
Yeah, she knows what's in there. What about you, Buzz?
Buzz is a bit picky. He really prefers human food. So,
really? Oh.
Don't know. He does not enjoy dog products. He's more into like sweet potatoes and spinach.
Really?
And chicken.
It's Bohemian dog.
Yeah, something like that. But I actually just got drooled on, so I think that's a good sign.
I
think they're excited.
So there we have it. And they also have as you can see in the customer stories, they knit their own products and what have you, and they make those sort of rope toys and what have you as well. So they're always good ones to look out for. Really easy, really good things as well for the dog. Really like that. Really nice. We've got the bit of the branding in there. We've got a nice contrast between stuff they've obviously bought in and they fulfill, and then they got the stuff that they put together themselves. A little bit of personalisation in there as well. I like that. What do you think?
I think she just gave it 5 stars.
5 stars. Oh, yeah, of course, we should hand the scoring over to you guys. So 5 stars from Peaches. What about you, Buzz? The drool says it all.
Yeah, he's really drooling all over my legs. So I think that would be a good rating. We'll definitely have to give them some of these treats after we've finished filming.
Absolutely.
As a reward for being so good on camera for us.
So yeah, thank you very much for watching. We're really impressed. Loads of nice little branding ideas in there for you. Seems like it's really sustainable to put together, really easy to keep up with. We're sort of fulfilling in that way. Nice cardboard box, branding on tape, branding on tissue paper, and some nice inclusions, as I like that you call them. Inclusions,
yeah. It's a bit of a strange one that I picked up there, but yeah, inclusions.
So yeah, really, really nice stuff. As we've sort of mentioned throughout the video, there is EKM Stories where you can take a look at the story behind PawsTrading, which involves an ice cream van, of all things. Won't say much more. We'll leave it there.
It's a great video. It's got cute dogs, so if you've enjoyed this one, you'll definitely enjoy that one.
Yeah, we'll put it actually there. Sorry, Buzz.
There,
maybe
right,
just below you there, Buzz.
Right here.
Yeah, right there. So you can take a watch of that. I think that's everything. Have you got anything else to say, Peach?
Keep in mind, if you're watching this video and you'd like to take part in an EKM Unboxed, just get in touch with our marketing team. You can just email marketing@ekm.com and let us know if you're interested. We would love to have a great variety of different types of products that we can feature, so please do get in touch. And if you are a dog store, then I'm sure they would really appreciate all the goodies that you might have to send their way. Anyway, I think that's all we've got time for. Pete, what you... There's no getting that off her. That is hers now. Yeah.
Do you think the boss will let you have that one?
You better. It's got a drool all over it now, so.
Anyway, thanks for watching.
Thanks
Until
so much.
next time.
Bye now.